To start your LLC in Wyoming in 2024, if you're looking to save money, you can do it on your own. Here are the steps to create an LLC. Step 1, check LLC name availability by going to this page on the Wyoming Secretary of State's website. Here you want to make sure the name isn't already being used by another business in Wyoming. Step 2, find a registered agent or decide to be your own registered agent. Your registered agent must keep normal business hours Monday to Friday, and you can't use a P.O. box. At this address, you'll receive legal notices, documents from the state, and other certified mail that will need someone to sign for them. You should know that this address will be publicly available. I wouldn't recommend using your home address as your registered agent's address. I would rather hire a registered agent, which normally costs from $125 to around $200 per year. Step 3, submit your articles of organization to the Wyoming Secretary of State and pay the $100 fee if you file by mail. If you file online, you'll also have to pay a $3.75 convenience charge. Below you'll find a link to file your LLC online. Step 4, get your EIN for free directly from the IRS. We have a video that'll walk you through step-by-step how to do just that. An EIN, or employer identification number, is basically a social security number for your business. Step 5, create an operating agreement or get a free operating agreement template from Northwest Registered Agent from this page, linked down below. This is a document that will state how your LLC will operate. Banks may also ask for your operating agreement when you go to open a business bank account, which moves me on to step 6, open a business bank account. We have a video that you'll find down below that'll walk you through step-by-step how to open that account. Step 7, file a beneficial ownership information report with the Treasury Department's FinCEN, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. This is something new in 2024. This report discloses information of the primary owners of your LLC. In 2024, you have 90 days after forming your LLC to submit this report. In 2025, it must be submitted within 30 days of creating your LLC. Then lastly, step 8, to keep your LLC open and in good standing, you must submit an annual report and pay an annual fee to the Wyoming Secretary of State. The minimum fee is $60. If your business has total assets of over $300,000, you'll pay a fee of 0.02%. For example, if you have $500,000 in assets, you'd pay an annual fee of $100 instead of the $60 minimum. There's also a convenience fee if you file your annual report online of $2 if you're paying the $60 annual fee. It increases slightly if your annual fee is over $100. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing this is the first time you're creating a business and all the steps could sound overwhelming. The Secretary of State's website might not be the most user-friendly, and you could have questions along the way. Instead of going it on your own as I just described or paying a lawyer potentially thousands of dollars, I recommend you work with a formation service to help you get your LLC set up correctly, and it'll only take you a handful of minutes. On this channel, we've done reviews of a bunch of different formation services, and one of our favorites is Business Anywhere. You can get their help forming your LLC for $37 on top of the fee you pay to the state. With Business Anywhere, you also get their registered agent service for free for the first year. If you enter the code BEGIN15 at checkout, you'll save 15% on your purchase, excluding the state fees. Unfortunately, I'm not able to get you a discount on that. Now I want to quickly show you how in just a matter of minutes, you can create your LLC with Business Anywhere. If you use our affiliate link in the description, you'll come to a page that looks like this. If you use one of our links down below, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. If you like our content, this is a great way to support our channel. From this page, you can select the state where you'd like to form your LLC to see the state fees or enter what you'd like to name your LLC. At the top, Business Anywhere will check to see if this name is available. Congratulations, it looks like the name is available. To continue, enter your name, email, and phone number and click on Next. Choose the entity type and state where you'd like to form your business. LLC has already been selected. I'll choose Wyoming for the state. Is this your first business? When will you be open for business? I'll choose within 30 days. Select the industry of your business, then describe in a couple of words what your business will do. Will your business have a physical presence or be virtual? This business will be virtual. Do you plan to have any employees in the first 12 months? It'll just be me, so I'll select no. How are you planning to get paid? I'll accept credit cards, ACH, and bank transfers. Who is the business owner or primary contact? I'll enter my information. Enter the LLC members and their percent ownership. I'll own 100%. Who is the responsible party for tax purposes? I'll select use my name and email provided earlier. Enter your address. Here you can add Business Anywhere as your registered agent free for the first year and then $147 for year 2 and beyond. If you live in the state, you could technically be your own registered agent, but I always recommend hiring a registered agent. It's nice that the first year is free. Would you like Business Anywhere to get your EIN for you? If you live in the US and have a social security number, you can get your EIN directly from the IRS fairly easily. We have a video that'll walk you through how to get your own EIN that you'll find down below. If you want to be sure it's done correctly and you're okay paying an additional $97, just have them get it for you. Would you like an operating agreement? The nice thing with Business Anywhere is that you can work with them to make edits to your operating agreement instead of just getting a template that you're responsible for filling in or editing all on your own. Add their operating agreement service for $97 or find a link to the free template from Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Business Anywhere can open a business bank account for you for free. You can add that here. You can add a banking resolution for $27. If they're opening a bank account for you, you won't need this. In this video where you see how I open a business bank account with Bluevine, they also don't ask for a banking resolution. You can also get a free template from Northwest, link below. How quickly would you like your LLC processed? Normal processing time is 10 to 14 working days. If you'd like it expedited, you can select one of these two options here. Would you like your LLC to be taxed as an S-Corp? This is something that can help you pay less in taxes, but it's only beneficial after you're making somewhere in the neighborhood of $50,000 to $100,000 of annual profit. You can always change this later on. To find out more about S-Corps, check out the video in the description. Do you need a virtual mailbox? If you work from home or don't have another address, this is something I recommend getting. $20 per month is the price that you'll find with many other virtual mailbox services. If you have questions about taxes and or the structure of your company, you might want to add this consultation call for $197. This is something that Business Anywhere specializes in. Double check that everything you entered is correct and click on Next. Create a password on the right, enter begin 15 to save 15% on your purchase, excluding state fees. The total with discount for starting an LLC in Wyoming is $133.45. If you add the virtual mailbox, it'll be another $204 for 1 year of their virtual mailbox service. Enter your payment information and click on complete and pay. In just a couple of days or weeks, you'll have your Wyoming LLC with the help of Business Anywhere. If you now want to open a business bank account, watch the video up above. In the video below, learn the dozen things you'll need when starting a new business. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.